Oh, welcome back, my young petty ones. I'm gonna open her up. Again, Baldur's Gate 3, Deluxe Edition for the PS5. I ordered it back in like October. Delay after delay, I've been trying to make it. Here she finally is. Don't think I need the knife anymore. So this just lifts up. Just the cover. And this looks like a book. Yep. Oh, there's tape. We'll need that knife again. Okay, I don't want to damage anything. Really don't want to damage anything. Oh, it rips apart easily, never mind. There's a little tab here. Fancy tape. Look, it's all designed and stuff, like a lock. And there we go. Put this over here. And this is some fancy paper. Like it, you can like it's what do you call it? It's not soft. It's coarse, kind of like sandpaper. And it is, I guess, a map. I guess it's just a map of the world. Is it called Baldur's Gate? I guess it's called Baldur's Gate. I haven't played the first two. And we have... That's not anything. And this is... I think it's just a giant poster. Yes, it is. It is a giant poster. Put this over here so I have room. And these look like stickers. A lot of stickers. We have some character stickers. We have banners. We have some bad guys. I guess there was a cute bad guys. And stickers. I already received the code in an email for the features for the Deluxe Edition, which are for the gameplay. And yeah, this is the game. Let's give a better review. And that's the game. And at the bottom we have something else, maybe a CD. Oh, yep, we have original game soundtrack. So yeah, we have 3 discs. And we have more things at the bottom. We have badges. I was actually at the mall looking for badges. So we have this one. And we have this fist. And I think that is it. That is all. And I'm not sure what was in the email. It was just I guess bonuses when you're playing the game. So yeah, that's about it. That's the Deluxe Edition. There you have it. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I guess I'm gonna be live streaming this sooner or later. Still haven't finished Final Fantasy the 7 remake, the second one. What's it called? Rebirth. So Still a little behind. I still have to get Elden Ring too. I haven't started the DLC, so I have to live stream that also. So I'm not sure which I'm gonna do first. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with Elden Ring before anything else. That's the game I want to play. Final Fantasy, I'll get to it sooner or later, but I was really into it, then I lost interest. Then I got really into it again, and then I lost interest in it again. So, and this one, I get the feeling I'm gonna be stuck in this world, not wanting to leave. So I might want to just play Elden Ring first. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell, and watch my live streams. Thank you.